Hello everyone, since the first launching video of EinScan Rigil, we have received tons of attention from customers and curious glances towards EinScan Rigil. So in today's video, I will give you a full tutorial of EinScan Rigil's 3 working modes: scanning process and post-processing workflow. Now let's get started. First of all, as we mentioned in our previous video, EinScan Rigil can do all the scanning and post-processing job on the device itself without any PC connection in its standalone mode. Besides that, regarded as world's first 3-mode laser 3D scanner, EinScan Rigil's other work modes refer to wireless PC mode and wide PC mode. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to wirelessly connect your EinScan Rigil to the ExScan Rigil software. First thing, we need to roll down from the top, enter the control center and click Connect ExScan Rigil. And once we have entered the connection interface, you can see we have 2 modes of connection. The first thing is wired and the next thing is wireless. So now I'm gonna select the wireless connection firstly. So you can see under this interface we can check some system info of your device, like the name, which is the corresponding serial number, and also you can see the hotspot is on, which means now your EinScan Rigil software, your EinScan Rigil scanner is a standalone hotspot device. When we click on Connect ExScan Rigil, the scanner will automatically turn on its built-in hotspot function, making it convenient to wirelessly connect with computer software. Select the corresponding the right serial number of the hotspot, which is our EinScan Rigil scanner, and click the Connect. And here it requires to enter the password, so I can also check the password here. Okay, so we have connected, and then we can click here. Before we do all this wireless connection, we need to make sure the network firewall is disabled. And we need to click this one. And after we have see this connection successful tip, and now we are successfully connected the EinScan Rigil scanner to our PC. So you can see this main interface have been changed. And you can also see this is already connected to my computer. And on the left top corner, we can check some informations. So this is the scanner model. And here, the Wi-Fi icon means we are connected wirelessly. Here below is the serial number, of course. And here is the battery storage. Also, we can check the storage space inside the scanner itself. And here is the file management. Click here, you can enter the library inside the device. You can see I have scanned, previously I have scanned some simple files, so you can check here. And in case you want to disconnect, you can also click this icon. And you need more further functions like export the logs. You can click this little here and export some device logs to your local PC's platform. After we have connected the wirelessly, we can also switch another mode to connect to the device, wired connection, which will give you more stable connection performance compared to the wireless one. So if we want to switch to the wired connection, we need to using our official USB Type-C cables. And you can see the connection is fully automatic, since the computer will automatically detect the scanner and it will be connected pretty quickly. With the previously mentioned wireless PC mode, EinScan Rigil supports door-end operation, enabling flexible scanning workflows without the need for markers in wireless scanning scenarios. So firstly, we need to create a new project group. Same as ordinary EinScan softwares, we need to create a pass. And once we have created the project file, we can select either mode. So the first one is later scan, and the next is IR scan. So all these adjustments will be done on the computer instead of the device itself. So let's see the laser mode firstly. You can see all these advanced settings will be listed on the left side of the software interface. You can see we have markers, we have global markers, we also support feature element under laser scanning. And you can also see a lot of functions like data quality indicator and outdoor mode. So after we have entered the scanning interface, we can see we have a play button pops up inside the scanner, and also we can using the computer's start button to start the scanning officially. And for the global markers, it's pretty similar compared to the metrology scanner, and I'm gonna show you how to perform this. So you can either click here to play, or you can click here to start. It depends on your prefer. So I'm gonna click here. Now here is our scan sample. As you can see, during the scanning, we can check two sides of the display. You can one time on the one side you can check inside this tiny screen of your device, and maybe your friend which is have a few meters from you, he can check the scanning display in real time on the computer. So it's pretty convenient for a group work. Here we start. Okay, so after raw scanning of the markers, we need to optimize the global marker file. So then after you post the scan, the further management need to be done on the computer instead of the scanner itself. And here we have a global marker file available. You can save the file for now in case you need to use it for the second time. Here you can export the file. And the global marker file will be saved as a P3 format. I will save it on the desktop. So here the file is saved. And in case you delete the file, and if you move to another computer, you can also import the file as we already saved. So it's pretty convenient in case you want to do another scan on other computers. Alright, since we have scanned the global markers, then we need to scan the point clouds instead. So we need to manually switch to the scan point cloud function. Okay, so same. This time I switch to this to click the start button. It's fully synthesized. In the meanwhile, you can check the performance. So with the help of the global marker, so you won't be much tracking lost, especially when we scan some very complex sample. And also global marker give us best accuracy performance. under all alignment modes. So it's very powerful and efficient, especially under the wireless connection. And also, you will have a higher performance PC. It will give you a more smooth scanning experience. Alright, so let's pause here. And we can do further editings and other like generating point clouds all on the PC's platform instead of the scanner itself. So the data's result is pretty good. And another important thing is markerless scanning. So we even support the markerless laser scanning on the wireless connection mode. So let me give you an example here. When we enter laser scan mode, we can see that the third one on the left is feature alignment mode, which is also known as marker-free laser scanning mode. When we choose this mode, we can perform scanning tasks in laser mode without relying on markers. It should be noted that the wireless marker-free scanning mode requires the scan object surface to process abundant and non-repetitive geometric feature. This mode is particularly suitable for scenarios where customers require high detailed data result and high working efficiency while not asking for strict accuracy, but may not be optimal for objects with uniform features such as smooth planes or regular geometric shapes. ExScan Rigil software supports the following 4 multi-project alignment modes, suitable for different scenarios and operational requirements. You can hold the Shift key to manually select at least 3 common feature points in the 2 projects to specify corresponding points for alignment. And besides all the scanning and the post-processing functions, we also support additional other scan data process like independent process. Here below on the left bottom corner, you can see we have 2 quick entry portal here. So click here. You can enter this post-processing interface directly and you can open any 3D file you want. You can see we support 3 formats, STL, OBJ, and PLY. And you can open any file on your local disk to run some simple modifications regarding the scan data itself. You can see we have a lot of meshing editing functions available on the left side menu. And we also support some simple measurement function here. And the same, we need to import some data. and do some measurement. Here we can do all this simple measurement function, like point-to-point measurement, a surface area selection. Click here, can calculate the parameter, and then we can also check the volume. So actually, the ExScan Rigil software is a very powerful software, especially designed for the EinScan Rigil. And in case you have some other questions and opinions, you can also click this question mark icon here. Visit our community and get more information regarding all these EinScan and EinStar series. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and also our official website. And once you have other thoughts and shiny ideas, you can also give us emails, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So here you can also see the device information once you connect it. You can also check whether the software version is latest. And we also support to diagnose your system requirement. So it's pretty intelligent and convenient. Okay, thank you. We can't wait to see what creative projects you come up with using the EinScan Rigil and the ExScan Rigil software. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep shining and stay creative.